Hello students, so today we will learn about MS Excel. Okay, so first of all, what is the meaning of cell address in MS Excel? So cell address means to understand about cell address, first of all, what is the meaning of cell? Cell is, you can see there are so many cells. Okay, this one is cell, this one is cell. Okay, each box is known as cell. Okay, you can see. Now what is the meaning of cell address? Cell address is when, for example, I am clicking on this cell, you can see what is the cell address of this cell. To find out the cell address, we will check the row first, sorry, column. You can see here is written E. Okay, and this here is, and row is 3. Okay, so the cell address of this is E3. Okay, if we want to find out the cell address of this cell, then you can see the column name is H. Okay, and the row name is 4. Okay, so this is the cell address of this cell. And what will be the cell address of this cell? It will be I2. Okay, so this is the way to find out the cell address. Okay, now the next thing is how to find out the sum of numbers in MS Excel. You can see I have typed some name and some marks of the students. Okay, now how to find out the sum? To find out the sum, first of all we will write is equal to. Okay, because in MS Excel each formula begins with is equal to sign. Okay, now is equal to sum. Okay, bracket start. Okay, now we will add these three numbers. Okay, now you can see here is written B. What is the address of this cell? B2. Okay, B2. Okay, okay, 2. What will be the address of this cell? D2. Okay, this represent the range starting and ending. When you will press enter, you can see the total marks. Okay, and the second method is to write the formula is equal to B2, okay, plus C2 plus D2. Okay, and press enter. You can find out the sum like that. Okay, if you want to find out the sum of this row, this, no need to write the formula again and again. Okay, you will just drag this formula like that. Okay, this will find out the sum of each row. Okay, so this is the way to find out the sum. Okay, if you want to find out the maximum, then you will write here is equal to max. Okay, cell address of this cell is B2. Okay, to D2. Okay, we will close the bracket and we can find out the maximum number. Okay, and the same, if you want to find out the minimum number, you can write here MIN, minimum. Okay, you can see the minimum number is 73. Okay, now next thing is how to find out the square of a number. You can see if is equal to power. Okay, this is the formula, and 3 comma 2. That means 3 की power 2 means 3 3s are 9. It will be 9. Same if you want to find out the square of 4, it will be 16. Okay, so this is the method. And same if you want to find out the sum, this is the other method. Okay, 2. Okay, you can write plus 4. Okay, this will find out this is the way to find out the sum. Okay, same 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Okay, so these are the methods to find out the sum, maximum, minimum and square of a number.